Oh.
Yeah, you know, it's
I killed it so we can record.
I like it because it's in here.
You know, I like the space in the kitchen because
Record, are you recording?
you can lay out a lot of victims in here.
A lot of what?
Victims.
Yes, you did.
Put them all, put them in the bag, take them out.
More freezer space, though.
If you eat them, you don't gotta
Then I'm going to shove that up your ass.
She's gonna like it too.
You can hardly stand up. She's like choking.
Wait, I'm not done yet.
Yeah, you are.
I'm not.
It says don't shake them.
I'm an old man having sex for the last time. My life before I die. Can I have sex one more time before I die?
Sure.
Okay. My penis is finished.
Can I put this on YouTube? Or I mean Facebook?
Yeah, because I think it'd be funny. I'm dead! I can't do it anymore! Now I understand why all people are frustrated because they can't do it anymore!
It's time to come in, Jenna.